Good morning, student. This is Latif, sir. I think all of you have seen the reduced chemistry syllabus for your 2021 board exam. If you have not seen, just check the council website and download all reduced syllabus of all subject. In case of chemistry, I have seen that in each chapter there are some portion are reduced from your board exam. Okay, and I am also following the reduced syllabus. And this is my last video in on this chapter, on the chapter 3, because the remaining part of this chapter are not included for your board exam. Okay, so today I'll discuss about salt and types of salt, and the remaining part of this chapter are not included in your board exam syllabus. So today I'll discuss about salt and types of salt. So what is salt? Salt is a chemical compound which is formed by the partial or total replacement of ionizable hydrogen atoms of an acid by a metallic ion or an ammonium ion. We know that salts are produced when acids reacts with base. When acids reacts with bases, uh, you will get salt and water. In acid base reaction, neutralization reaction, generally the metallic part of base replaces the ionizable hydrogen from acid to form salt. So, salt is a compound formed by the partial or total replacement of ionizable hydrogen atom of an acid by a metallic ion or an ammonium ion. So, in some cases, partial replacement of hydrogen atom or hydrogen ion, ionizable hydrogen ion occur, and in some cases, complete replacement of ionizable hydrogen atom take place. So, first, partial replacement of ionizable hydrogen from hydrogen atoms from an acid. So let's see the chemical reaction for partial replacement. When sodium nitrate NaNO3 reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, the metallic part of NaNO3, that is sodium ion, replaces one hydrogen atom from H2SO4. H2SO4 sulfuric acid has two ionizable hydrogen atom, but when NaNO3 reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid below 200 degrees Celsius, the metallic part of NaNO3, that is sodium ion, replaces one hydrogen atom from H2SO4 to form a salt, that is NaHSO4 plus HNO3, a salt and a acid here. And now see complete replacement. When sodium nitrate, that is NaNO3, reacts with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, above 200 degrees Celsius, the two hydrogen atoms of concentrated sulfuric acid will be replaced by the two sodium atom, and the product will be sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus nitric acid. After complete replacement of two hydrogen atoms from H2SO4 by sodium ion of NaNO3. So the chemical reaction is NaNO2 plus H2SO4 implies you have to give the temperature, you have to mention the temperature above 200 degrees Celsius, and the product will be sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus nitric acid plus 2HNO3. And another definition of ionic of salt is ionic definition. According to this definition, ionic definition, salt is an ionic compound which dissociate in water to yield a positive ion other than hydrogen ion, that is H plus, and a negative ion other than hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus. So according to ionic definition of salt, salt is an ionic compound which dissociate in water to yield a positive ion other than hydrogen ion, that is H plus, and a negative ion other than hydroxyl ion. For example, sodium chloride is a salt which consists of Na plus and Cl minus, and when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, it dissociates to form Na plus ion as a positive ion but not hydrogen ion, and Cl minus ion as negative ion but not hydroxyl ion. And I have told before some time that salt is prepared by neutralization. This type of salt, so like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, this type of salts are prepared by neutralization reaction. For example, sodium chloride is prepared by neutralization or by neutralizing sodium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid. So when sodium hydroxide NaOH, which is a base, reacts uh, with an acid HCl, hydrochloric acid, it will form a salt NaCl plus water. Okay. Now classification of salt. There are 6 kind of salts. One is normal salt, one is acidic salt, basic salt, double salt, mixed salt, and complex salt. This total 6 kind of salts are there. But in your syllabus, you have to read only normal salt, acid salt, and basic salt. Double salt, mixed salt, and complex salt are not included in your syllabus. So that's why I will discuss about normal salt, acid salt, and basic salt. So first, what is normal salt? Salt like NaCl, Na2SO4, these are normal salt. Normal salts are the salts formed by complete replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atom of an acid. Normal salt are formed by complete replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atoms of an acid by a metallic or an ammonium ion. For example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with NaCl, the metallic part, hydrochloric acid reacts with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. The metallic part of sodium hydroxide, that is Na plus, replaces the H plus from HCl. And the salt produced in this case is sodium chloride, which is a normal salt, because in this case the one ionizable hydrogen atom present in hydrochloric acid is replaced by the sodium ion, So normal salt is formed when acid reacts with base. You will get normal salt plus water. And normal salts are produced by complete replacement of ionizable hydrogen atoms from an acid by a metallic ion or ammonium ion. Another example, when sulfuric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, the metallic part of sodium hydroxide, that is sodium ion, replace two hydrogen atom from H2SO4. The sodium ion can replace the two hydrogen atom from H2SO4 to form sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus water. That is H2SO4 plus 2NOH implies Na2SO4 plus 2H2. And normal salts have no ionizable hydrogen atom. So example of normal salt are NaCl, Na2SO4, KCl. These are example of normal salt. Now second is acidic salt. Acidic salts are salt which are formed by the partial replacement of ionizable hydrogen atoms of a polybasic acid by a metal or an ammonium ion. So acidic salts are formed by partial replacement or of ionizable hydrogen atoms from a polybasic acid. Polybasic acid means the acid which contain hydrogen atom more than one. For example, H2SO4 is polybasic acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid is a polybasic acid. Phosphorus acid, H3PO3 is also a polybasic acid. So when the hydrogen atoms of a polybasic acid is replaced partially, then you will get acidic salt. You will get a salt which is acidic in nature, because this salt now contains one more hydrogen atom. That's why these salts are acidic in nature. When H2SO4 reacts with NaCl below 200 degrees Celsius, it will form NaHSO4. See, NaHSO4 contains one more hydrogen atom. That's why NaHSO4 is a salt, but it is acidic in nature. NaHSO4 plus HCl. Similarly, when H2SO4 reacts with sodium hydroxide, a acid salt will produce. And the formula of acid salt is NaHSO4 plus water. Okay, sodium hydrogen sulfate is an example of acid salt. Other some example of acid salt are sodium hydrogen sulfite, sodium hydrogen phosphate. Okay, so, disodium hydrogen phosphate and monosodium hydrogen phosphate. That is Na2HPO4, NaH2PO4. These are acidic salt because these salts contains these salts are contains hydrogen atom which can ionize further in aqueous solution or in acidic solution. Okay, so what are acidic salt? Acidic salt which contains more than acidic salt which contain hydrogen atom, at least one hydrogen atom. Okay, acid salts are usually formed when the amount of base taken is insufficient for the complete neutralization of acid. Acid salt ionize in water solution to give hydronium ion, and therefore they show all the properties of acids. That's why these salts are called acid salt, because they can ionize in water to form hydronium ion. Now next type of salt is basic salt. we know base means substances which contains OH minus hydroxyl ion. But there are some salt which contains OH minus ion. That's why these salts are called basic salt. For example, PbOHCl, basic lead chloride is a basic salt. Basic magnesium chloride, MgOHCl. Basic copper chloride, CuOHCl. Basic copper nitrate, CuOHNO3. These are basic example of basic salt. Basic salt are formed when the partial replacement of hydroxyl ion or hydroxyl group of a di or triacidic base by an acid radical. For example, you know that magnesium hydroxide is a basic substances. When magnesium hydroxide is react with an acid HCl replaces one hydroxyl group from MgOH whole twice, and the product become MgOHCl plus water. Similarly, lead hydroxide PbOH whole twice, when react with HCl, it will form PbOHCl. See, one more hydroxyl ion still present in the salt. That's why these salts are basic in nature. The basic salt contains a metallic cation, a hydroxyl ion of the base, and an anion of the acid. Okay, thank you.